Now the next topic is approximation. It means round off. So the process of expressing a decimal number up to a specific number of decimal places is known as approximating or rounding off. Suppose this example, suppose you have to round off this number up to 3 decimal places, means up to here, 31.3247. Okay, so up to 3 decimal places means up to here. Okay, so we will see the digit just after this. After this, this number is greater than 5. So this 4 will increase by 1. So its round off figure will be 31.325. And just after 3 decimal places, all the digits will be omitted. Okay, take one more example. 2.7991. So it is, you have to round off this up to 3 decimal place only. So 3 decimal place is here. This is 1 decimal place, this is 2, this is 3rd. So just after this you can see this number is less than 5. If the number is greater than 5, then this will increase by 1. But if the number is less than 5, then this will be remain same. So it will be 2.799 and all the digit after 3 decimal places will be omitted. Got it? So we have some more example from your exercise 3.2 question number 4. I have taken from there 3.0901. You have to round off this number up to 100th place, nearest to 100th place. 100th place means, you know, in decimal number the places are named as, suppose 574.8673 is a decimal number and this part is the whole part. So it is considered as its places are ones, tens, 100. But after decimal, the places we just say like the tenths. The first place starts with tenths, then hundredths, then thousands. Tenths means TENTHS, tenths. The first place is the tenths place, second is the 100th place, third is the thousandths place, and so on. Okay, so here you have to round off all these numbers up to nearest to 100th. So nearest to 100th means what? Up to 9. So this is 10th place, this is 100th place. Just after this, see, this number is less than 5. 0 is less than 5. So this 9 will be remain as 9 only. So 3.09 is the round off figure of this number. Again, suppose you have to round off this up to 100th place. 0.05. 5 is the 100th place. Just after, see, the digit after this 6. 6 is more than 5. So it will, this 5 will increase by 1. So it will become 0.06. And all this digit will be omitted. Next, 0.09. This also you have to round off up to 100th place. 09 up to here. So just after this, what is this? 9. 9 is more than 5. So this will increase by 1. So 9 will become 10. 10, 0, 0 and 1 will go carry. So it will become 10. 0.10 is the round off figure of this. Got it? Now the next topic is significant figures. Significant figures actually represent the total number of digits present in a number. So to find the number of significant figure in a number, there are certain rules. And I'll explain you all the rules through your book only. In your book, the rules are given. First is, all the non-zero numbers are significant. For example, this and this, all these numbers will be called as significant figures. Second is non-zero numbers. Non-zero numbers means these numbers only, okay? So there is no zero there. So all zeros in between non-zero numbers are significant. All zeros between non-zero numbers means any zero is there and between the non-zero numbers, then this will be also considered as significant figure. Okay? Now next is, zeros preceding the first non-zero number are not counted. Yes, this is very important. 0 preceding the first non-zero number are not counted. For example, suppose 0.013, any number is there, just before it if zeros are coming, then these zeros will be not counted. Suppose 0.0024, Before this, any zero, any number means non-zero numbers, any non-zero numbers. If 0 is preceding any non-zero number before that, then these zeros will not be counted. Okay. So how many significant here? Only 2. 2, 4 means 2 digit. 1, 2. 2 significant figures. Okay. Next is, if a number is rounded off to a specific number of digits, and as a result, if the last digit becomes 0, then that 0 is significant, otherwise not. It means, suppose 24196, you have to round off this number to a correct to 2 decimal places. So round off this number up to correct to 2 decimal places. This is 9. 2 decimal places is up to here. After this 6. Means it is more than 5. Round off this, 9 will become 10 and this will become 2. 24.20 is the round off figure of this. In such cases, this 0 will be considered as significant figure. Otherwise not. Okay. So there are some rules. There are some questions here. You have to see. We will understand better through these questions. 9.347. You have to round off this correct to 3 significant figures. Correct to 3 significant figures. So how many, first of all, tell me significant figures are there? Significant number 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are non-zero numbers, so it is a significant number. But you have to round off this up to 3 significant figure. Means up to 1, 2, 3. Up to here only. So just after this, what is this? 7. 7 is more than 5. So this 4 will be increased by 1. So this 4 will become 5. So 9.35 will be the significant figure of this round off figure of this means correct to 3 decimal places. 9.35. Got it? Next question. 0.0244 correct to 2 significant figures. You have to round off this correct to 2 significant figures. So first of all, tell me how many significant figure are there? 1, 2, 3. Because these 2 zeros, as the third rule says, 0 preceding the first non-zero number are not counted. So this 2 0 will not be counted. So how many significant figures are there? 1, 2, 3. But you have to round off it correct to 2 significant figure. Means 1, 2. 2. Just after 2 digits, just see what is this? 4. 4 is less than 5. So this 4 will not increase by 1. It will be remain 4. So its answer will be 0.024. 0.024. Got it? Next is 0.08. You have to round off this correct to 3 significant figures. So but you can see here is only 1 significant number. So, but you have to correct it up to 3 significant figure. So you will have to, in such type of question, you have to write 2 zeros just after this by yourself to make 3 significant number. Now, what is the round off figure of, what will be the round off figure of this? This 0.00800. This 2 0 you have to put by yourself because here is only 1 significant number. Got it? You have some questions in your exercise also, like question number 6. Round of the following numbers as indicated. 0.6089 correct to 2 significant figure. 2 significant figure means 1, 2. Up to here. So after this, what is this? 8. 8 is more than 5. So this 0 will increase by 1. So it will become 1. So 0.61 is the answer. 0.61 is the round off figure of this number. Okay. Next is 0.0071 correct to 3 significant figure. But as you can see, here is only 2 significant number. There is no 3 significant numbers are there. So how you will correct it? You will have to put 1 0 by yourself. So its answer will be 0.00710. Okay. Next is means 3 significant figure 1, 2, 3. Correct to 3 significant are there. Next is 19.009. So you have to correct round of this correct to 3 significant figure. 3 significant figure means 1, 2, 3. Up to here. Just after this 0 you can see this 0 is less than 5. So this will be remain 0 only. It will not increase by 1. So its answer will be 19.0 only. 19.0. Next is 7.0903. Corrective 4 significant figure. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Means this 3 is less than 5. So this 0 will be remain 0. It will not increase by 1. So its answer will be 7.090. 7.090. Similarly, you can do this E number also. So exercise 3.2 is your homework. Complete it and send me at my Gmail ID which I have given you. Any doubt you can ask me.